Today we are going to do MCQs on flora and fauna of Jammu and Kashmir. Question first is which tree species is reported in a May 2025 review to play a key role in high altitude soil stabilization and water regulation in J&K? A. Betula utilis, B. Cedrus deodara, C. Pinus vallecina, D. Aesculus indica. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है according to the same 2025 review, approximately how many vascular plant species have been recorded in Jammu and Kashmir? A 1000, B 2500, C 3000, 4500. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी। Question number 3 is in recent surveys, which large mammal species in Jammu and Kashmir has shown an uptick to around 289 individuals in 2023 after being critically low earlier? A. Kashmiri stag, B. Markhor, C. Snow leopard, D. Himalayan brown bear. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए। Question 4 is which high altitude wetland ecosystem in Jammu and Kashmir is cited in the 2025 review as important for migratory birds such as black necked crane? A. Wular Lake, B. Tusumarari, C. Nandkol Lake, D. Dal Lake. So correct answer है option B. Question number 5 है the review mentions alpine meadows or mugs above tree line at elevation 3500 to 4500 meters. Which of the following plant genera is commonly found there? A. Gentiana, B. Quercus, C. Tectona, D. Salix. So correct answer option A. Question number 6 है a species of orchid listed as critically endangered in Jammu and Kashmir as of 2005 is A. Dactyl lorhiza hatagiria, B. Sauceria costus, C. Aconitum jasmathum, D. Inula roylina. The correct answer is option A. Question number 7 है which wildlife corridor reactivation was noted around 2019 for the Kashmir stag beyond its core zone in Dashtikam National Park? A. Sindh Valley to Tulehel in Gurez, B. Pir Panjal to Jammu Plains, C. Zanskar Valley to Leh, D. Pahalgam to Banihal. Question number 7 का करंट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए। Question number 8 है according to the 2021 ISFR report, approximately what percentage of J&K's geographical area was under forest cover? A. 25%, B. 39%, C. 45%, D. 52%. So correct answer is option B. Question number 9. In the temperature coniferous forest zone at 2500 to 3500 meter in J&K, which tree species is not typical? A. Bilupine, B. Silverfill, C. Deodar cedar, D. Sal. So correct answer option D. Question number 10. The 2025 review lists approximately how many reptile species in J&K? A. 15, B. 30, C. 40, D. 60. Correct answer is option C. Among mammals of J&K listed as endangered in the older document is the markhor. What is its scientific name? A. Capra falconerea, B. Capra Sibirica, C. Hemitragus gemellahicus, D. Mostus chirosgaster. So correct answer option A. Question number 12. Which of the following endemic bird species is cited in 2025 review as specific to J&K's region? A. Kashmir flycatcher, B. Himalayan monal, C. Coccolus pheasant, D. Western capercaillie. So correct answer option A. Question number 13. Which aquatic fish species is mentioned by the 2025 review as native to J&K's rivers? A. Golden mahseer, B. Ganges carp, C. Common carp, D. Nile perch. So correct answer option A. Question number 14. The cold desert ecosystem of J&K, especially Ladakh, supports which wildlife species? A. Himalayan black bear, B. Wild yak, C. musk deer, D. Himalayan tahar. So correct answer option B. Question number 15. In flower-rich alpine meadows of J&K, which of the following generic is cited in Nundkol Lake region as common? A. Gentiana, B. Quercus, C. Pinus, D. Shoria. So correct answer option A. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a key threat to J&K biodiversity cited in the 2025 review? A. Overexploitation of medical plants, B. Habitat loss and fragmentation, C. Alien introduction of zebra mussels, D. Climate change impacts. So correct answer option C. Question number 17. According to the 2025 review, approximately how many species of bryophytes are recorded in J&K? A. 100, B. 200, C. 300, D. 500. The correct answer option C. Question number 18. Which national park in Jammu and Kashmir is noted for being the largest high altitude one and is important for snow leopard conservation? A. Kishtewar High Altitude National Park, B. Dashigam National Park, C. Kaziranga National Park, D. Salim Ali National Park. So correct answer option A. Question number 19. A plant species described from near Srinagar and native to J&K is Galium Mahadev Venus. Which plant family does it belong to? A. Rubicea, B. Roscia, D. Astracea, D. Lamikia. So correct answer option A. Question number 20. In the 2025 review, which taxonomic group is prescribed as less studied but extremely diverse in J&K? 100 of species. A. Mammals, B. Birds, C. Invertebrates, D. Bryophytes. So correct answer option C.